The question is iron carbonyl FeCO5 is it tetranuclear, mononuclear, trinuclear or dinuclear? So now its solution. It is stated that based on the number of metal ions present in the complex, they are classified into mononuclear, dinuclear, trinuclear and so on. This means that if there is one metal atom in the complex, so it will be called mononuclear. If it has two metal atoms, it will be called dinuclear and so on. So for example, FeCO5, it has only one metal ion, so it is mononuclear. In this, it has three metal ions, so it is trinuclear. So in the question, iron carbonyl is given and its structure, and it has only one metal ion, so it will be mononuclear.